Probably some software glitch.
Hi, I'm Marcelo Wrocławski, urologist from São Paulo, Brazil, and tomorrow we will be holding the ASCO Direct with the highlights from ASCO GU and the ASCO annual meeting with focus on prostate cancer. The chair of this event will be Dr. Fabio Schutz, oncologist, who's a great friend of ours, and I'm honored to present our main speakers, Dr. Daniel Petrolak from Yale, urologist, and Dr. Emmanuel Antonorakis, who's an oncologist from Johns Hopkins. So, Dr. Petrolak, what do you think your biggest expectations for this meeting tomorrow?
So I think what I hope that we can convey to the audience and the physicians and medical oncologists and urologists is the advances in science that have been made in prostate cancer over the last several years and how that translates into precision medicine for patients. We've identified a lot of different markers that are beginning to be useful for patients in terms of selecting drugs. We hope to see that the PARP inhibitors will be approved in the United States within the next year. Additionally, Dr. Antonorakis has been one of the pioneers in looking at a marker called ARV7, which may mark resistance to enzalutamide and abiraterone. And also we're looking at different immune markers such as microsatellite instability that may select patients who are susceptible to treatment with checkpoint inhibitors. So it's not just simply taking different drugs and administering them to patients. Now we can select patients and give appropriate drugs that are based upon the patient's molecular profiles.
Great, thanks. Dr. Antonorakis, precision medicine has gained a lot of importance in the past years, right? So could you brief us what will be your main talks tomorrow and a little bit of precision medicine in practice nowadays with focus on prostate cancer?
First of all, thank you for the invitation. I'm excited to be in Brazil. It's my second time, and it will be a lot of fun. So the main topic of my talks tomorrow will be, number one, how can we use the molecular data to help us select sequencing of drugs. We now have 6 or 7 drugs that are FDA approved in the United States for advanced prostate cancer, and if you have 7 drugs, there are about 5,000 ways you can sequence 7 drugs if you do the math. And of course, this is not acceptable. We cannot go through each of those permutations at random. So we need more intelligent and precise ways to figure this out. And the second thing that we'll be talking about tomorrow is using older drugs in new settings, using drugs that we have traditionally reserved for late disease, the castration-resistant setting, and then taking the same drug and using it earlier in the hormone-sensitive setting and actually seeing remarkable benefits that appear to be greater than if you use the drug later. So these are the 2 themes, I think, of this Congress and also of the ASCO GU and the ASCO 2019 annual meeting. And it will be exciting also for me to learn from the urologists and oncologists in Brazil some of the challenges potentially with delivering this precision medicine in a country like Brazil, and how we can help and how industry can help to make that happen.
Yeah, that's awesome, because here in Brazil I think we have a different scenario from the US or even Europe, so it will be very exciting to have you here and to learn from you how can we use these new developments in our clinical practice. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you all here tomorrow at the ASCO Direct.